Hungry for hot, fresh meals on the go? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best electric lunchboxes of 2025. Whether you're at work, traveling, or out on the road, these smart lunchboxes keep your food warm and ready without needing a microwave. We'll cover the key features, why each one stands out, and how they can make your everyday meals easier and more enjoyable. And don't worry, all product links are waiting for you right down in the description box so you can check them out anytime. So, let's dive in and find the perfect electric lunchbox for you. Number 5. Dupasu Electric Lunchbox. Meet the Dupasu Electric Lunchbox Food Warmer, the perfect way to enjoy hot, homemade meals anywhere you go. With rapid 100-watt heating, this smart lunchbox warms your food evenly in just 20 to 30 minutes. No more cold leftovers, no more waiting for a microwave. Just plug it in and enjoy a hot meal when you're ready. It's built with a generous 1.8-liter stainless steel container, plus a smaller salad box for sides. The silicone-sealed lid keeps food fresh and prevents leaks, making it safe and reliable on the move. This is a true 3-in-1 lunchbox. Use it at home or in the office with standard power, or plug it into your car or truck with the 12 and 24-volt adapters. It's designed for busy workers, travelers, and truck drivers who want a healthier way to eat on the go. Cleaning is easy too. The stainless steel container, fork, spoon, and plastic compartment are all dishwasher safe. Just remember to keep the heating base dry and wipe it gently with soapy water. And here's a bonus. Every lunchbox comes with its own insulated carrying bag, making it a thoughtful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. The Dupasu Electric Lunchbox isn't just convenient, it's your way to enjoy warm, homemade meals anywhere, anytime. Number 4. Crock-Pot 20-ounce Electric Lunchbox. Say hello to the Crock-Pot 20-ounce Electric Lunchbox, your personal, portable food warmer designed for life on the go. With a perfect 20-ounce opacity, it's just the right size for warming soups, chili, leftovers, and more, wherever you are. The seal and store lid keeps everything secure and spill-free so you can travel with confidence. Plus, the detachable cord makes storage easy and clutter-free. This lunchbox isn't just practical, it's stylish too. The elegant blush pink color and soft touch matte exterior give it a modern, vintage-inspired look you'll love carrying around. Cleanup is simple. The food container and inner lid are dishwasher safe, so you can spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your meals. Compact, portable, and designed with premium components, the Crock-Pot Electric Lunchbox is the perfect way to enjoy warm, homemade food anytime, anywhere. Number 3. Hugmazing Cordless Electric Lunchbox. Meet the Hugmazing Cordless Electric Lunchbox, the rechargeable food warmer that lets you enjoy hot meals anywhere, anytime. Perfect for work, travel, or outdoor adventures, this battery-powered lunchbox makes eating on the go easier than ever. With a full charge in just 3.5 hours, it gives you up to 90 minutes of heating time, enough for a full, warm meal without needing a microwave. The built-in screen even shows the battery level, so you always know when it's ready to go. Planning ahead? Use the preheat function. Simply set the timer with the delay button, adjust the hours, and press start. Your food will be hot and ready exactly when you want it. With an 1,100 milliliter stainless steel container, there's plenty of space for soups, salads, or leftovers. The leak-resistant food-grade design keeps your meals safe and fresh wherever you carry them. It's portable and convenient too, with a hidden handle, an adjustable shoulder strap, and included fork and spoon. The stainless steel container is dishwasher safe, making cleanup fast and easy. Just remember to keep water away from the heating base. The Hugmazing Cordless Electric Lunchbox isn't just a food container, it's your personal hot meal solution for work, travel, and life on the move. Number 2. East Oak Cordless Electric Lunchbox. Meet the East Oak Cordless Electric Lunchbox, your portable solution for hot, homemade meals anytime, anywhere.
This smart lunchbox is battery-powered, which means no outlet is needed. With a powerful 10,000 milliamp hour battery, it can heat your food once and keep it warm for up to 1 full hour. Whether you're at the office, in your car, or outdoors, your meal is always ready. It also has a smart timer function. You can set the time you want your food heated, and the box will do it for you automatically. Even better, it remembers your last settings, so you don't have to adjust it each time. With a 5.5 cup capacity, about 1.3 liters, it holds enough for a hearty meal. Think 3 servings of pasta, a dozen dumplings, or even lasagna with soup. And thanks to its removable divider, you can keep different foods separated, like veggies on one side and pasta on the other. Worried about leaks? Don't be. The silicone seal keeps everything secure, so even soups and sauces stay inside. That makes it great for workers, students, and anyone on the go. Cleaning is effortless too. The removable tray, lid, and even the utensils are all dishwasher safe. Just pop them in and you're done. Speaking of utensils, this lunchbox comes with everything you need: a fork, a spoon, a divider, and even a portable insulated bag with both a hand and shoulder strap. The East Oak cordless lunchbox isn't just practical, it makes a great gift. Perfect for office workers, truck drivers, or anyone who deserves a hot meal after a long day. Stay warm, stay fueled, stay ready with East Oak.
Number 1. LunchEase XL Cordless Heated Lunchbox. Introducing the LunchEase XL Cordless Heated Lunchbox, built for anyone who wants hot, fresh meals anywhere, anytime. With its powerful 14,000 mAh rechargeable battery, you get true cordless freedom. No outlets, no wires. Just charge, pack, and enjoy a hot meal wherever life takes you. Perfect for work, travel, or long shifts on the job site. The smart heating system makes it easy. Simply set the time, and LunchEase automatically warms your food to 220 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's ready the moment you are. No waiting, no hassle, just hot, delicious meals on schedule. This lunchbox also gives you control. The large, clear display lets you adjust temperatures, schedule heating, and even customize your device with colors and personal messages. Everything is built right in, no app required. Hungry? With this 6-cup stainless steel container, there's plenty of room for big meals. Whether it's pasta, rice bowls, or hearty leftovers, it's got the space to handle it all. And thanks to the removable container, it's easy to prep, pack, and clean. Worried about spills? Don't be. The secure double latching lid, leak-resistant design, and insulated bag keep everything safe, hot, and mess-free. The dual chamber bag even has extra space for drinks, snacks, or sides. LunchEase XL isn't just convenient, it's versatile. Heat frozen meals, home-cooked dishes, or meal-prepped favorites with ease. Plus, safety comes first with precise temperature control and advanced battery protection. From construction sites to nursing shifts, from trucking to travel, the LunchEase XL is the perfect way to enjoy real, hot meals on the go. Stay fueled, stay cordless, stay ready with LunchEase.